Good morning. This is Georgia Fat Boy Mowing and Tractors. I know it's been very infrequent posting here lately for the past 10 months, but that's because I have moved to Georgia. I am no longer in Tennessee. I moved home to South Georgia so that my wife and I could build our retirement home, and we will retire. Along with that impending retirement comes the need to sell my tractor. I moved from a 3-acre lot in Tennessee, where I use my tractor almost every day, to a half-acre lot. I'm in a rental house right now while our house is being completed, which will be done in about 6 weeks. And the only thing I use my tractor now for is to move the trash cans from the house to the road, and I've made videos with that, and you can watch that. So I'm going to sell my bad boy tractor. Has a backhoe and a front end loader on it, and I also am going to sell the forks with it. I'm going to sell the lift box with it, and I'm going to sell my 16-foot trailer to haul it with, and I'm also going to sell my lawn trailer. I'd like to sell the tractor, the 16-foot trailer, and all the implements with as a package. The lawn trailer can be purchased separately. I love this little tractor. It's great. It has less than 200 hours on it. I'll get the exact hours on it. I think it's like 147, but that might be my lawnmower, which I want to sell my lawnmower too. But anyway, I have a brand new Toro Titan lawnmower that I'm going to sell. But I just need to sell this tractor, because otherwise it's going to sit in a barn and not be used. So, great tractor, highly recommend it. I bought this tractor over the John Deere. I thought that for the value for the what you get, that the bad boy tractor made a much better investment. So it's been a great little tractor. Does everything I've ever wanted it to. Help me clear up storm damage, debris, and big old 8-inch tree limbs. So it does great work. So if you're interested, reach out, let me know, and I'll be happy to discuss it with you. Again, this is Georgia Fat Boy Mowing and Tractors, and there will not be any more videos that I know of on this channel at this time. Okay, thanks so much and have a great day.